Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, if you would like to create the design of the cake decoration so you can get the inspire of the watermelon. How is that? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create the picture of the cake decoration, and here the cake will have the shape of the watermelon. As you can see, the look is very detailed and also will have you the look of the layer of cake, and also the skin of this fruit looks very real and also very cute at the same time. And if you would like to create this, here I will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can access this Nano banana first, because this is the tool that we will use to generate this picture of the cake decoration. And here I will access it from the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access your another favorite AI image or AI image generator, don't worry guys, you can go ahead and you can explore to create the cake decoration with your another AI image generator. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this cake decoration guys. And here in this AI Studio I have done the login first with my email, and this is the home page of this Google AI Studio. And after that you can simply scroll down and try Nano Banana, and in this section you just need to put your prompt into this section. So the prompt will be like this: a visually stunning and meticulously decorated cake prominently themed as the watermelon. The exterior of the cake features a realistic dark green and lighter green stripe pattern like this, and also closely resembling the specific natural rind pattern of the watermelon, with a subtly textured surface to mimic the sunlight unevenness. And also when cut, the interior reveals a vibrant red cake with a numerous small edible black seeds scattered throughout and representing the juicy flesh and seeds of the fruit. Like this guys, this is typically the seed of the watermelon guys. And don't worry, because this edible, you can create it from the chocolate chip, for example. And the another prompt will be like this: the cake is undisputed centerpiece, placed elegantly on a clean, minimalist and aesthetically pleasing patisserie counter. But you can also change the location of the picture to be, let's say, your kitchen, and also your kitchen and the cabin, something like that. And the another detail would be the counter itself is light color, possibly marble or natural wood, with a soft inviting lighting that highlights the cake vibrant color and intricate the detail. No other distraction should overshadow the watermelon cake, or it means that the focus only about this watermelon cake guys. And the another detail would be like this: the style should be ultra realistic with a high attention to detail, and also cinematic lighting and a shallow depth of field to make the cake pop, and also 8K resolution, capturing every texture from the smooth icing to the tiny seeds, and the cake is served on the plate like this. And after that you can click run and kindly wait for the result or the output down here. Then you can simply give this prompt the screenshot, or you can also copy it from the description box that I will show you there. And this is actually the same prompt that I used to generate this picture guys. However, you can also still have the another output, and if you feel like not really satisfied about the picture, don't worry, because you can still have another one by clicking this rerun this turn, or in this section, in this generated picture, and you will find the another output down here. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this prompt. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.